How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi everyone, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee, whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront cost. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate program works. First, you have to sign up, head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then you choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then you can just share links, generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then you earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. So let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. First, we have no upfront investment. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free join. Then we have wide range of products with millions of products available. You have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more promote, the higher you earn. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. So the first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up to the program. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. As you can see, you have just to open your browser and dive into Shopee affiliate program and click over here, enter. So if you want to log in, all you have to do is put your phone number, username or email and your password, then you log in. But if it's your first time, all you have to do is scroll down and click over here, sign up, fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree the Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. Before you have just choose one of country that you want. It's choosing, for example, Philippines. So this is the homepage. Here we have login. You can just log in to find your account. If you don't sign up, all you have to do is click over here and sign up. Then we have here English or language you want, help, notification. Then we have here seller center, start selling, dollar as on. Here we have various products. Then all you have to do is navigate through the various products categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or nature to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like me, I am an athlete and I play basketball. All you have to do is searching about basketball. As you can see, all you have to do is click over here Here's the various pictures, the first products of basketball, especially shoes. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then, in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then, use this link to promote the product on your preferred platform. You can include it in your blog post, social media posts, YouTube video, descriptions, email newsletter, and more. Then you have to create compelling content with sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here is some example of how to share affiliate links. First, we have blog post by written a detailed by writing a detailed review of the products and include affiliate link within the post. Then we have Instagram story. Share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video using review video and include the affiliate link in the video description and mention it in the video. Here we have some tips for success. So to maximize your success with the Shopee affiliate program, all you have to do is follow these few tips. First, we have promote products you love, focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come through and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have leveraging social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and create content that showcases the products effectively. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Finally, we have optimize your links by using tracking tools to monitor which links are performance based. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. So that's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. Ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.